is at risk because more people are now checking out ChatGPT. And as more people use ChatGPT, the technology will improve and the access will improve. Right now, I think you're limited to how many ChatGPTs you can use without paying.
Yes.
So, but maybe it will unlock more Google searches, and maybe it will make, and we talked about this before, maybe it will make Google searches even more valuable because people who are going to be searching on Google instead of ChatGPT are probably more likely to buy a product now. So hard to know the future, as we say a million times. It's important, of course, to focus on so many factors when making investment, qualitative and quantitative. And that's what makes investing so hard at all different times of the the economic cycle. It's never easy. And so our goal, Ernest, is to keep on reading, studying our companies, and making what we think is a calculated bet on what the future growth will look like.
Can I just say something lastly on disruption? Is that I think today there's a lot of like venture capitalist types, right? Like these are large firms that are focused on, investing in the next big thing.
Yeah.
And they have a lot of podcasts and they do a lot of like very articulately written articles
For sure.
on disruption.
We passed one around today about stable coins, but is it all still about incentives, right?
Yeah, and I think that it can be, if you're a public market investor, I think sometimes you should take what venture capitalists say with a grain of salt, because you have to think about, from their perspective, what they're investing in is disruption, right? They want what they're investing in to disrupt the incumbent.
Totally.
That's how they're going to make money. That's how they're going to invest in Facebook at a $10 million valuation and have it be 100 billion or a trillion.
Yeah.
Right. For them, there's no in between, right? There's no room for a company kind of finding its way and surviving.
No.
But that's very different from what a public markets investor does, which is what we do here at Basket, right? In public markets, it's about finding gaps between what the market thinks about a company and what it's actually worth.
Yeah.
Right. And so you can have a situation where, okay, Google, like, sure, there are competitive threats from ChatGPT today, but maybe the stock is still undervalued and still works from here because of the strong free cash flows they're generating from search, from YouTube, from cloud, and all these other things.